Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you PSN how to add funds to wallet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to add funds to wallet on your PSN, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your PlayStation application. Then once you're inside here, tap on the sign in button on the bottom of the screen and then enter in your username or email and then tap on next and then enter in your password. And once that's done, what you need to do is you'll be logged into the PlayStation at home screen. Now here what you need to do is tap on your profile icon and then on the top right corner on the screen, and then simply once you're inside there, select payments and subscriptions. Then inside payments and subscriptions, what you need to do is select add funds, and once you're inside add funds, here what you need to do is select payment method. Now all you gotta do is enter amount that you want, and lastly once that's done, you review all the things and select add funds. The next method that you can do is use your PS5 or PS4 console. Simply turn on your PS5 and log into your PlayStation account. Then simply head over to the settings on the top right, and once you're inside there, select users and accounts. Then choose accounts, and then inside account select payments and subscription. Then next is to select add funds, and once you select it, choose your payment method, example card, PayPal or etc. Then next is to enter the amount, and once that's done, simply tap on confirm to add funds to your PSN wallet. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.